How to see Bank of America user ID. Let's get started. User ID is a unique identifier that you created when you first set up your online banking account. It allows you to securely log in into Bank of America website or the mobile app. First, you can head towards the mobile app or the website of Bank of America. Head towards the login page. Once you're in the login page, click on the option of Forget ID or the password. To retrieve a user ID, you'll need to provide some personal details such as your account number, social security number or tax identification number and date of birth. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. After you verify it, you will be able to see or reset your user ID. Bank of America will show you your user ID or send it to the email address on the file. Next, you can check Bank of America account statements or correspondence. If you have set up your online banking account previously, your user ID may have been listed in any welcome emails or pay statements you received when you first enrolled in online banking. Check through any physical or electronic account statements for Bank of America, as they may contain your user ID. If you are unable to recover your user ID online or through the app, you can always contact Bank of America's customer support for assistance. Call the customer service number, or you can navigate to the website of Bank of America, scroll all the way down, and you're gonna find this section where you can contact to their customer support team. So this is how you can see Bank of America user ID. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.